Hi Stampers, today I'm going to show you how to make this trifold card. This is using the Love Always set and the Bella Rose papers. It opens up and it has the window here, and then it has the little slit that holds it closed. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make that. I'm going to start out though with different cardstock. I'm using Summer Picnic. What I've done is cut this to 4 by 11, and I have already scored it at 3.5 and at 7, and I'm going to use the blue as my outside color instead of the bold print of the flowers. So I'm just going to fold this on my score lines and crease that well, and then for my little slit over there I'm going to use the slit punch, and I'm going to put it down towards the bottom, and I'm just going to feed it in. I'm going to use the top of my card here as my guide to how far to put in, so it'll overlap it some, and then just punch it. Now it'll fit over there and hold my card shut. Okay, so now for the scallop around the outside. I wanted to show you how to make the scallop for a circle like this. I used the Nestabilities in my Cuttlebug, and I'm going to show you how to make the Nestability donut that goes around the outside. Okay, I'm using my Cuttlebug, and I've got the A plate, and then my C plate, and my cardstock, which I'm using Rose Red, or Rose Romance, and then I'm using a circle and then the scallop, and I'm doing it big enough to where they overlap each other, so I'm just going to lay them both down, and then I'm going to put my B plate on top of that, and I'm just going to run that through the Cuttlebug, and now when I bring it out, there's my circle, and there's my donut. So that's how you do the scalloped donut. Okay, now on the front of the card, I'm going to go ahead and use the two-way glue pen, and I am going to put the glue here around the edges. Okay, and fit this on here. This is the same size circle that I have on the card front, and I cut the circle on the center of the card. Okay, so when you fold it up, your image is going to be over here. So then I stamped Fun and Fast Notes, the flower pot, and I colored this with markers. I used Bashful Blue, Certainly Celery, Old Olive, Lavender Lace, and Pretty in Pink. And I'm going to use the glue stick, and I'm going to glue this down on my ballet blue circle, and I just cut this one circle larger than my image. Okay, and then I need to put it in my card, and the easiest way to do this is to put the glue stick on here, and since this circle is the same size as this, I'm going to like place it where I want it in my card, like this, and then I'm going to close it. You can move it around a little bit once it's in there, but not a whole lot. If you wanted to, you could use the whole square and put an image like I did in my other one. So there is my image, and then I'm folding up my card, and there is my card bases. Okay, to close it over here, I am going to decorate it with a piece of ribbon. I'm using the small hole on the crocodile, and I'm going to put a hole in the center of the slit punch right there, and I'm just taking a piece of the Kiwi Kiss ribbon, and I'm just tying it in there just as a little decorative piece. It's got no function. It's not tying anything down or holding anything. Okay, and then there's your little slot, and we can go ahead and trim the ribbon. Okay, and then for the inside, I'm going to go ahead and decorate with the sentiment over here. When I mounted my Fun and Fast notes, I cut off my words and mounted them on clean cushion so I can go ahead and use them on a clean block. That way I can use any verse with any of the pictures. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp on a piece of Whisper White with Ballet Blue. Okay. Let's try that one again. There, the Get Well Wishes. And then I'm going to use the oval punches, the large oval punch, and then I am going to use the new designer label punch and Ballet Blue. Okay, and then I am going to glue this onto the center of the designer label punch. The designer label punch is just fun to work with a lot of the other stamps. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue that inside my card, and there you have it. So we're going to fold that up and close it, and there's your cute little trifold card. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Go ahead and make one, try it yourself. Again, here's the other one. This one I stamped, cut a piece of square cardstock and stamped on that. Okay, thanks, and come visit me again. Bye-bye.